Hi, my name is Matt from ClickBid, and I am going to show you how to add your thermometer to a live broadcast so that it floats on top of a video feed of a live auctioneer. So to get started, I'm going to go to my ClickBid software and go to Manage Items. Then I'm going to find the item that is my appeal so that I can edit, make it active, set the type to donation, then choose a couple of denominations, get that set up. Then you want to come down here to projected display settings, and you want to upload a full screen background image that's black. Typically, that's what I would choose. In order to get that, you can open up a new tab and you can type black solid background. And any of the images that you get should be able to be downloaded. I can click on one, and then I can right click, save image as, and save it to my desktop. Then in my admin, I can then upload that image and it'll save it right here. Now, the other thing I want to make sure I do is choose thermometer, choose my custom background so that I've chosen the image that I uploaded. I'm going to turn off the goal, donor names, sponsors, and so on. And then I'm going to set a goal here of $30,000. You need a goal in order for the thermometer to move. And so this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and then just press on this appeal display share link. This is what we're going to use. We're going to keep our hands on it here. And then you can see that I have currently $5,000 and my thermometer is just a little bit above the bottom. And the rest is black. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to select it and copy it, and then I'm going to jump over to OBS. Now, I've added a scene in OBS called Camera. I just named it Camera, and then I added a video capture device, which is me. And then I want to add the appeal display on top of it. So I'm going to choose plus on my sources, and then I'm going to choose a browser source. Press OK, and then this is where we paste that link that we just copied. And then I'm going to type in the full width of my canvas, 1920 by 1080, and then I'm going to hit OK. And what you'll see is that it takes the display, drops it right on top of my video, which is what I want, but actually I want the background to be gone so that I can see my video. So what I need to do is on the browser layer, I'm going to right click and choose filters. Then I'm going to choose the plus sign at the bottom here and choose color key. Hit OK. And then I'm going to choose custom color, select color, and black. That is going to knock out anything in my browser that is black. You can see here that now all that's left is the thermometer and the text. You can play with these dials to get colors kind of dialed in. If you're not using black for some reason, you can change transparency. So if you want it to be somewhat transparent, I'm going to leave mine fully at 100, and I'm just going to press close. Now, I am also going to move this over and scale up, because I want my thermometer to be a little bit bigger so I can scale up. And you'll notice that outside of the viewing area are these diagonal lines. This is just telling you that you have elements in your browser layer that are not going to be viewable, which is fine. The other thing you can do is see these boxes here on the edges of the layer. If you hold down Alt when you click on them, you can change the crop. And what the crop does is it just takes away part of the image. So notice I'm cropping out the fund a cause. Well, I don't want it to go away. I just want to put it somewhere else. So I'm going to put my thermometer on the right side. Then I'm going to right click on the browser layer, choose copy. Then click in the empty space here, choose right click and choose paste. And it will paste a layer on top of itself, so it won't look like anything happened. But if I go back to use my Alt key and the click here, I can move it back over, and now you can see the total raised amount. And then I hold down Alt again and click and drag, and now I have two layers that have different crops. So this one is showing the thermometer, This one is showing the total amount. What I also want to do is I really just want to get rid of that fund to cause text, so I can press Alt, drag my box down. So now all I see is total raised $5,000, and I can drag that anywhere I want. So now as I'm calling the auction, I have my total raised here and I have my thermometer here. So let's go ahead and start streaming. I'm going to go to my landing page. It'll take just a minute. And you can see now I'm streaming my event. You can see the total raised, you can see the thermometer. Let's go ahead and log in. Log in as a test account. And then it'll take just a minute, but we'll pop that up, and then I'm going to press donate. And you can see here that my video is playing, and if I want to make a donation to fund a cause, I can choose $5,000. And now I gave $5,000, and look, my thermometer went up. So that is exactly how I would set up a thermometer to sit right on top of my video of the auctioneer or the MC doing the paddle raise.